We are here sa Rox Motors kung saan in-unveil nila ang napaka-pamilyar sa atin, very capable off-road and on-road. Mukha siyang mga Defender. They call it the Chinese Defender 130. I-check natin kung paano magbe-benefit sa family natin and even sa mga taong mahilig sa MPV, SUV and overlanding and pumunta sa wilderness or adventure. They have the top spec na Rox Zero One, yung sport, and yung Rox Zero One na luxury. Okay, ang laki ng garahe natin. Actually, nagulat ako dun sa honeycomb na ceiling. Usually nakikita lang natin yan sa mga nagde-detail wherein ang liit lang. Dito nga pala yung garahe nila Optimus Prime. So samahan nyo ako kaswabe. Let's begin. Suabe starting sa kanyang front end. As you can see, it's very rugged with some few elements. This is powered by a 1.5 liter inline 4. Tumutulong para i-charge niya yung battery niya na 56 kilowatt. Paabot siya ng 1,115 kilometers. Ang 0 to 100 niya, 5.5 seconds and top speed is 220 kilometers. This is their badge. Napakasimple lang. Very strong yung appearance niya. Mataas ang ground clearance. Kung i-check mo kung katulad siya ng isang Defender, Halo kasi yung LED nun eh. Pero ito, inverted Y. Sinong bulb na siya. Para sa akin, maganda yung forma. Mukha siyang bulldog. Check the wheels. Bling-bling to the max. 21 or 22 Pirelli tires. Tapos some elements coming from sa Defender. Kasi yung dito, yung Benzo. Pero dun sa Defender, actually may opening lang. It has a two-tone body color and the tailgate moves sidewards. So extra wheel. One of the coolest thing dito, meron ka ng built-in kitchen. Pag hinatak mo yan, meron kang table. Lahat, lagay mo dyan. Tinyan. Pag hinatak mo naman to, moving here, yan. Meron kang trash bin na pwedeng paglagyan. 2.5 na water dispenser. Mainit, malamig, kumukulo, nagyayelo. Hindi ko alam. Tapos ito, pwede mo tanggalin. Ang ilaw-ilaw mong ganon. Mag-traffic sign ka.
This quick video is brought to you by Autosport from PWD Mobility Philippines. It is the world's most innovative mobility scooter for our daily lifestyle, especially sa mga kababayan natin na PWD. Pwede itong isakay sa eroplano dahil may lisensya and flight approved para kahit saan ka mag-travel, kayang-kaya. 10-speed transmission up to 10 kilometers per hour that will reach 20 kilometers in range. Information is in the description below.
Equip ito ng captain seat, maganda yung lumbar support dito, ang tambuko. You have winglet, meron kang space dito sa gitna. Climate control is here, you have pocket, lights, LED, social, square, ang ganda. Meron kang handle dito, vents, panoramic na glass roof. So magkahiwalay sila dito sa driver cockpit. 7-seater ito, this is the sport variant. Yeah. Tan color, which is meron silang itim pero para sa akin mas special pag ganito yung kulay. Mas maganda mag-selfie dito, Instagrammable. Yung switches natin for lumbar adjustment. I think this is 14-way power adjuster. This is your steering wheel, flat yung bottom mo. Ang ganda ng controls, matte finish. And ano to? Parang Tesla wireless chargers. Lalagyan. Oh, cup holder, parang machine finish yung center console natin. So kaswabe, this is the sport variant, which is 4,388,000. Let's go naman sa luxury na variant.
Para naman ito sa mga pasahero na pinaprioritize ang comfort and luxury compared sa sport trim na versatile off-roader. With 6 aviation-style seats kumpara sa sport na 7-seater, but this one comes with additional comfort features tulad na lamang ng control switches sa armrest para sa massage, adjustment, warm and cooled seats. Hanip din sa additional 15.6 high-definition rear entertainment screen. To put everything in perspective, ang sport trim level ay para sa off-road capabilities and higher seating capacity. Luxury trim naman prioritizes comfort, of course, luxury features, and enhanced materials. For inquiries and test drive experience, contact my Viber number.